So I got some feedbacks on the video I made on the spicy noodles challenge, and somebody said that I did not prepare the noodles properly. And somebody also said, "Oh, you prepared it wrong." So I listened to feedback. So here we go. Today I'm going to prepare the bulldog spicy noodle the right way. And if this is not still the right way, please do let me know. I read all your comments and I appreciate you engaging in all my videos and sharing and commenting. And yeah, I listen, I take feedbacks because I want to give you the content that will, make good impacts into you. So let's sit down and watch and tell me if I did it the right way this time around. Okay, and while you're watching, please kindly like, subscribe if you have not, click the bell sign, choose the option that shows all. That way you will get all my notifications anytime I post a video. So keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so my observation after preparing it like this, I noticed that it was spicier than what it used to be. Like personally, sometimes I like it soupy, sometimes I like it dry. But using this method, I realized that it was spicier than how it was the other time I prepared it the other method. So either way, I really appreciate you guys, bringing it to my notice that this is the way it's supposed to be prepared. So maybe henceforth I'll prepare it this way. Thank you so much. I enjoyed making this video as much as I know you're going to enjoy watching it. And please share this video, give me your feedback. Yeah, at this point it was very, very spicy for me. I had to drink my ensure juice, just to reduce the spicy level. If you watch when I made this particular, if you watch the previous video, which I'm going to put in this clip, you see that I was able to handle the spicy level through. So now I see what you guys are saying. So thank you so much, and until I see you in another video, stay blessed, stay healthy, eat well, eat healthy, choose the right meal for you, okay? Because you are what you eat. And from this channel, we're saying we love you. Until I see you in another video. Bye bye.